Hi everyone, it's Priyanka, and I want to share my story with all of you about Kangen water and how it has changed my life. So basically, I was a totally different person. People around me, they know me so well, and now I'm 12 kgs less of what I was just 4 months back. So basically, it's like a drastic change that has happened in my life because I had tried everything. I tried gymming, I tried dieting, I tried going to power yoga, but nothing was working out. My body was so acidic that I was not able to lose even a single inch or a single kilo of my weight. And I used to feel pathetic about myself because, I can't, wear the kind of clothes I wanted to. I used to feel very shameful because I was constantly putting on weight. I had so many acidic issues that in 2 days I used to finish 10 tablets of Gelusil and my health was getting worsened. So basically, daily I used to tell myself that, what have I gained of everything I have earned in my life? It's nothing because I don't have the health I want. I am not the person I should be looking like. And I was not very happy about that situation and I had to change. So basically, and not just that, when I tried to exercise, when I was exercising, I got a ligament tear and it was so painful. My orthopedic doctor was the best doctor in India. He had been awarded. I thought he will be able to cure me. I took multiple physiotherapy sessions with him, spent thousands of rupees, but even he was not able to cure me because of my condition, and my condition was so bad. And then somebody recommended me yoga. I went to the yoga class, nothing changed. So one day, one of my very good friends, he introduced Kangen water to me and I did my own research. I was so shocked that something like that exists, but it was very hard to believe. The day I came to the office and I saw the demo, my life totally changed. The time I drank the water, I felt so good. Basically, I had not loved any water like that ever. And within 2 days of seeing the demo, I bought my machine. And that was the wisest decision of my life. And the reason is that, I would have been the same person I used to be like 4 or 5 months back. But then just because I made the decision on time, I am a totally changed human being. I am out of my acidity problem. My ligament tear is cured. My leg used to get swollen every winter night, and in the morning I used to feel a lot of pain in my knee, but now I don't have any issues. I can wear heels. I was asked not to climb stairs or basically walk for long durations, more than 10 minutes. Now I'm fine. I can run. And I have so much energy in me. This water powers me up. It's like a Red Bull. I don't need anything else. Basically, I can, sustain on this water throughout my life, and this is, basically my fuel. Moreover, I would like to say that this is the best thing you can gift yourself. And, you don't have to lose anything with this water. You just gain. And you don't gain weight, you gain good health. And I would strongly recommend you to please come to the Enagic office, see what it is. You might fail to believe in it while you see it, but then, as you believe in it, it will start working through your body. Read what doctors are saying, read what scientists, nutritionists, and celebrity fitness experts are saying about this water. It actually works. This is the only thing that says it works, and it does. Thank you so much to everybody who helped me get Kangen water in my life. I'm very glad.